Hey guys, so I just got back from grocery shopping. I didn't get a whole lot of stuff. I only needed a few things because last week when I went to get groceries, I picked up some stuff that were on sale and I figured I would use that to decide on what I'm cooking this week. So I picked up some eggs. And let's see, some milk. Got some breadcrumbs. I saw this at Aldi's cauliflower dip. It says roasted chili and pepper jack. So that sounded pretty good, and I figured I would eat that with these garlic and chive pita crackers. And there's like 3 more things. Just some Parmesan cheese. Some butter, because I was running out. And some mozzarella cheese. Sorry if I keep bending down, but I left my tripod in my car and I really don't feel like going to grab it. They had these like lip balms. It's a pack of 3. And I don't know, I feel like lip balm is just like scrunchies, like hair ties, you know, you're just always misplacing them. So I'm gonna try these out, and I figured I can just leave one in the car, leave one in my purse, and leave one in my work locker. And the other thing that I got were these super cute champagne flutes. Look at these designs. So I had to pick those up. It was only $10. $10. What a steal. So that is everything that I picked up from Aldi. I'm going to be making eggplant parmesan, and yeah, that's it for groceries. So I stopped at Ulta. I was like running a lot of errands earlier, and I really just needed to get a dry shampoo, and I figured I would try this Unwind by Hask. I think that's what it's called. Rosé wine inspired dry shampoo. I was gonna get the one that I usually get, which is by Batiste, but this one was cheaper and it was on clearance, and I love rosé. I can't smell anything yet, and I don't want to waste it by spraying it. So I will let you guys know how it is. And then I also just got one more thing. It is this like glowy pack so that you can have some glowy skin. It's got a vitamin C serum. It's got a lip mask, and it's got a moisturizing vitamin C gel cream. So I will let you guys know how this is when I try it as well. And then one last thing. Hopefully I can open this without scissors. Let's see. Wonder if I can use this pen. Probably going to be a fail. So the other day Macy's was having a really good promotion on these. And so I picked one up for me and my friend. It's the Smashbox. It's just basically a primer water duo. Let's see, it's kind of hard to see with the glare. Here, maybe this is better. So anyways, these are usually $20 and they're a $30 value. They had them on sale for $5. So I feel like I just had to pick it up to try it. So yeah, like I said, there's two, one for me and one for my friend. And that's all I want to share with y'all. Making some breakfast potatoes. They're about to go in my air fryer, and watching my girl Stephanie's new video. So here's my breakfast. My grapefruit, oh my god, it looks so delicious. I've got my breakfast potatoes under here. And I think my egg's a little more cooked than I would have wanted. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Yes. And I'm going to top it off with the one and only hot sauce. Hey guys, so I'm about to head on over to my, bad angle, to my best friend Tiva's place. I have the worst cramps today and I just don't feel like doing anything. I was supposed to hang out with another friend, but we ended up having to reschedule. My cramps feel better now, and honestly I really want some mint chocolate chip ice cream, and I just want to hang out on the couch and not have to do anything. But my friend Tiva texted me to come over and watch Disney Plus with her and drink some wine, and honestly, like, I can't even turn that down, you know? So I'm gonna be bringing over some wine too. I've got my Romance Red from Cooper's Hawk, and let's go.
Oh shit. Do I look good?
Oh, did you decorate the table?
Yeah, because it's basically blocking.
Oh, they can see my ugly reflection. Oh, hi.
Is this the one I gave you?
Yeah.
Why do I have to do it?
You're the professional. Oh, I brought your thing.
I don't know what we talking about.
Smashbox, bitch.
Oh, bish! I forgot about that. I have to pay you.
It's fine,
Oh,
girl.
geez.
I'll survive without the $5. And that's how it's done, ladies and gents. Pours whole bottle.
Honestly, though, it could probably fit in this big ass glass.
Probably could. That's a good portion size.
No idea. Just
It's like how they do at the restaurants. That's fine. That's good for now. What are you drinking?
Moscato. Oh shit.
Oh, are those good? Those Waterloos? I fucking heard they're like really delicious. Where do you buy them from?
I don't like sparkling water. Bob those, but he gets them from the store right next to his job.
Like,
go ahead. I think he likes the black cherry ones. I like the watermelon ones the best. Grapefruit, I hate grapefruit so much. So. Thanks. Come on.
House tour.
It does smell like weed, but like usually we. Oh.
I'm leaving that in there.
You're not show. No, this can't be the tour.
Miss.
I told Mr. Pettis I am.
No pictures, please.
I
Brought my own slippers.
Okay.
Hey guys, so I'm not really sure where we left off, if I'm being honest, but I needed to go ahead and end this vlog. I just got home It is Sunday, the 19th. And like I said, I just got home. Me and my boyfriend went to the movies. We watched Bad Boys 3. It was so good. If you haven't watched it, you need to watch it. There was a piece of hair. You probably can't see it. Really good movie. Highly recommend. And then we went to, I'm going to say his house since he hasn't officially moved in. His mom's hadn't been over there in a long time. So we went over there. It was nice seeing his mom. And we finished up watching the documentary, I guess that's what you would call it, on Aaron Hernandez. Really interesting and just fucking wow. But anyways, I am ending the vlog here. I'll see you guys in the next video. And by the way, this video is actually going to be up before my dream board. I'm working on that video now, finishing that up. So you'll see this vlog first, and then later in the week you'll go ahead and see my dream board. So yeah, stay tuned, and thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good night.